Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable suggest text correction on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Right, so you want to swipe up and go to your settings, and then you want to click on general management. From here, click on your Samsung keyboard settings. Now if you look towards the middle, you will see the suggest text correction, but this is grayed out. In order to enable that, simple enable the predictive text, and as you can see, it enables the suggest text corrections. And then you can also tap on that and you have the option there to enable or disable it for English. You can also access your manage apps, and this will enable all of those apps so that you can choose whichever apps you want to enable or disable. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily enable the suggest text correction on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Remember now, enable predictive text will give you the option to enable this. As easy as that.